In this video, I'm going to walk you through Xero and show you how its main features work, from the dashboard all the way to pricing plans. Xero is a powerful accounting software that helps businesses stay on top of invoices, expenses, payroll, and reports. And don't worry if you're new to it, I'll explain everything step by step. So by the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating each section. So stick around because in a moment, I'll show you how to customize your dashboard so it shows only what matters most to you. Now, let's begin with the dashboard tab. So the dashboard is the very first thing that you see when you log in, and it's your financial control center. It gives you a real-time view of your cash flow, invoices, bills, and more. And on the left, you'll see the bank accounts section. So in mine, it says no transactions important. That's because I haven't connected a bank yet. So to connect your account, just tap Add Bank Account, search for your bank, and then fill in the details. And once you're done, you'll see all your daily activity flow into Xero automatically. And in the middle, you've got total cash in and out, shown as a graph. This quickly tells you how much money is entering versus leaving your business. And on the right, you'll see invoices owed to you and bills that you need to pay. So this is really helpful to keep track of expected income and upcoming expenses. Then there's the accounts watch list. This is where you can track important accounts, and below that is the tax section, which gives you quick access to the tax details. And here's something useful. You can edit this dashboard. Just tap Edit Dashboard, drag things into the order that you prefer, and once you're happy, tap Save Changes. And stick around because in just a moment, I'll show you how easy it is to send invoices and even manage payroll in Xero. Now let's move on to the business tab. So this is where you'll spend most of your time handling day-to-day tasks. You'll see short-term cash flow and business snapshot at the top, which gives you a quick overview of your financial performance. Next is invoices. This is where you can create and send invoices to clients. You can even enable online payments so clients can pay directly from the invoice. Then there are quotes, which can be converted into invoices once accepted. You'll also find the sales overview, bills to pay, purchase orders, and purchase overview to manage everything you owe and everything owed to you. There's expense claims for reimbursing staff expenses and products and services where you can set up all what you sell. And finally, there's pay run for payroll if you have employees. So don't miss this part. It's really important because once this tab is set up, you can run nearly your whole business from here. Next up is the accounting tab. This is where the deeper financial tools live. We'll start with bank accounts. So as I mentioned, mine says no transactions important, but once you connect your bank, it will sync automatically. Then there's reports, which shows everything from profit and loss to balance sheets, payables, receivables, and more. You'll also see the advanced option, which contains settings and adjustments often used by accountants. Now let's look at profit and loss. This shows your income and expenses so you can clearly see if you're in profit or running at a loss. And on the left side, you'll see common formats like budget variance, current and previous 3 months, or current financial year by month. And once done, tap Update when you're done with your changes. The sales tax report shows tax summaries and audits. When you're done, you can tap Publish. You can also export to PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets or print directly. Then there's the chart of accounts, which is basically your full list of financial accounts and fixed assets, which tracks assets like equipment and vehicle. And here's something most people don't know. You can publish a report once and reuse it later without setting it up again. Now onto the projects tab. So this helps you track client work and then project profitability. So if you tap on all projects, you'll see a list of everything you've created. So in mine, it says no projects in progress. So to create one, tap new project in the top right corner. You can set it up as a draft or mark it as in progress. You also have time entries to log hours, tap time overview to see how your team is spending time, and staff permissions and staff cost rates to manage staff access and costs. And stick around because this feature is a great way to see whether the projects you take on are actually profitable. Next is the contacts tab. So in here, you can import or add new contacts. So contacts are split into customers and suppliers. Customers are the people you send invoices to, while suppliers are the ones you pay. So clicking on contacts shows you their full histories like invoices, payments, and balances. And later on in the video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you time when managing contacts. And finally, let's look at pricing and plans. There are three main plans. The starter plan is $29 per month and works best for freelancers or small businesses with limited needs. The standard plan is $46 per month and is the most popular because it gives you unlimited invoices and bills plus analytics. And now next is the premium plan. It is $69 per month with everything in standard plus multi-currency support for international businesses. And on the right, you also see plan summary. If you have a promo code, just type it in and tap apply. So if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us make more such videos. And that's it for this Xero walkthrough. We covered the dashboard, business tab, accounting, projects, contacts, and pricing. Thank you so much for watching. The link is in the description below.